Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the Lexus NX 450h, and this is the plug-in version, all-wheel drive executive model. So it is pretty much the same car as the Toyota RAV4 plug-in in terms of the technology it uses, but obviously it's a Lexus. It has a little bit of a better interior and obviously more premium materials being used inside the car. Let me talk about the features a little bit of this car. We do get adaptive cruise control with active lane keep assist. We do get the wireless charger for your phone. You can just put it there and it activates automatically. We get this new huge screen which actually is facing towards the driver, so you can interact with it a little bit easier if you have to do something on it. And overall, the interior compared to the previous Lexus NX has really gotten a nice upgrade. I really love this leather detailing going all around, especially with the red interior. It really makes the car look so much more premium. And what I forgot to tell you guys is that this is the executive model, so it is on the top line Lexus NX lineup, so you get pretty much everything you would want on a car like this. The instrument cluster is very familiar from Lexus. It's the round face with a little bit of information on the sides there, but nothing really that fancy. I think they could have made it a little bit bigger, but this is a Lexus style design, and this is what we get for this NX model. Really also love the detailing on the sides here. It has these little lines going around. Looks like a diamond pattern. It's really cool. Something you would expect from a car like this that goes around 60 to 70,000, depends if you buy it new or used. This current car right now, it's for sale at 61,000 euros, so it is still quite expensive. The car is very smooth to drive. You can't really hear any road noise. Of course, we're not doing huge speeds here right now, but it is very comfortable. It just glides through the road, and it really is something that you should consider getting for yourself if you want a big SUV with a little bit of something else. If you're looking for that premium feeling, this is definitely the car for you. So let's see how quickly this comes off to the highway. pretty well there. Obviously there's a little bit of delay, but the more you press on the gas, the more the car knows that you're probably gonna press on the gas, so it will adjust to that. But otherwise it takes a little bit of time for it to react. So I'm gonna be trying on the cruise control. It's the adaptive one, so you just press here. It activates just with one button, and if you want you can adjust the speed. It goes by 1 kilometer or more, so it keeps the car in the lanes, even though the lanes aren't really visible from both sides, but it still makes a good job of the information it has at hand. So you can see here a little bit how it reacts. You do have to keep your hands on the steering wheel, so you're supposed to drive it like this. But it can go by itself for a little while. But yeah, it's very smooth. It makes your life just a little bit easier. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you liked the video, then don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future.